Hello traders, this is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading, and today I wanted to bring you a lesson on money management. Money management is crucial in trading, and it is critical that you maintain this or else you will blow your account. Here you can see that $200,000 on a 2% risk is $4,000. So that is the most that you'll be able to risk if you have a 2% trade limit. Okay, which I personally use around that level. And now if we change this number from 200,000 to 15,000, you can see that our amount that we're able to risk changes. So that is $300 on any trade. Now $300 is not a lot for a $15,000 account. So most people think, well, man, is that possible to trade with such little risk? My answer to you is yes. And here's an example of what happens when you lose 10 trades in a row if you risk 10%. This is why it's so important. You start out with $220,000 and you lose 10% and you lose 10 trades in a row. Your first loss is $22,000 and it takes you all the way down to $85,000 in 10 trades. It essentially demolishes your entire account in 10 trades. Now we know that everybody's lost 10 trades in a row. I know that I have. I'm sure that you have as well. And if you follow poor money management, your account is going to get wiped out. Now nobody wants that. We don't want that. So if you change that now, I'm going to show you an example of what it'll look like if we use 2%. Now we have the same value here. We have $220,000 and we're only risking 2%. Now we're going to lose 10 trades in a row. And at the end of that time, we still have $183,000. Now that's a $100,000 difference, okay, versus 10% and 2%. So I can't stress enough to leave your risk very low, because we all go through bad spells. We all have times where we can't buy a trade, even professionals. And this is what's going to protect your capital in the long term. So follow these rules. It is important. If you don't do it, you're going to lose. And I can pretty much guarantee that you'll lose your capital and you won't be able to trade anymore unless you put more money in. So thank you. I hope this has been valuable to you. Until next time, this is Casey from Winner's Edge Trading.